Telomeres are located at the ends of chromosomes and protect DNA every time a cell divides. Think of telomeres like the end cap on a shoelace that keeps it from unraveling. The enzyme telomerase is responsible for protecting telomere length. Unfortunately, as a cell divides and replicates to form new cells, telomerase activity decreases and the telomeres become shorter and shorter until they're gone. At this point, DNA can't be copied anymore and is no longer able to replicate and replace itself with healthy new cells. Over time, this affects more and more cells, leading to diminished tissue function and the dreaded signs of aging. Specific ingredients in cell longevity support healthy telomerase activity and telomere length. Think of mitochondria as the power-producing batteries found in virtually every cell of the body. Their primary job is to create ATP, which generates energy for every movement, thought, and action we make. Unlike other parts of the body, mitochondria lack a protective system, which makes them highly susceptible to decreases in function. As we age, they become less efficient, fewer in number, and larger. As the mitochondria function declines, there's also a decrease in energy production. Every organ in our body relies on mitochondria to supply the energy necessary to function normally. As the mitochondria in a particular organ fail, there's a corresponding decrease in organ health, function, and repair capabilities. Enhancing, protecting, and supporting the mitochondria is essential for slowing the aging process. Specific ingredients in cell longevity support healthy mitochondrial function, integrity, and energy production. This theory focuses on the wear and tear of the neuroendocrine system, which includes the brain and glandular system. It's a complicated network that controls the release, activation, and use of all hormones. The hypothalamus, which is located in the brain, controls almost every process involved in hormone production and release. The hypothalamus also responds to and regulates hormonal balance and activity. But as we age, the hypothalamus begins to lose its ability to regulate the hormones. When this happens, the body overcompensates by releasing excessive amounts of the hormones that increase stress and inflammation, most notably cortisol and insulin. When these hormones exceed normal levels, they become major factors in speeding the rate of aging. Specific ingredients in cell longevity support healthy hypothalamus function and hormone balance. A free radical is a molecule with an extra or unpaired electron, which makes it unstable. The free radical attempts to become balanced by stealing an electron from another molecule, which converts that molecule into a free radical. That new free radical then attempts to steal an electron from another molecule, setting off a cascade of events which can lead to an increase in oxidative stress on the cells and tissues of the body. Healthy levels of free radicals are good for wound healing, healthy immune function, and for the regeneration of new cells and tissue. However, excessive free radical production is detrimental to cells because they attack cell membranes, can damage DNA, generate excess waste products, and impair cellular function. This accelerates the aging process of tissues and organs. Free radicals are commonly caused by pollutants, pesticides, herbicides, alcohol, xenoestrogens, high levels of cortisol and insulin, cigarette smoke, and radiation. Specific ingredients found in cell longevity function as antioxidants or free radical scavengers to reduce the negative cascade of free radical production. According to this theory of aging, as the cellular membrane ages, its ability to transfer chemicals, heat, and electrical processes diminish. The membrane also becomes less fluid and more solid, which impedes its efficiency and function. This causes an increased accumulation of cellular toxins. One toxin in particular, lipofuscin, is the reason we see age spots. Not only is it a cosmetic issue, it also indicates lipofuscin accumulation in other tissues of the body, such as the brain and liver. Accumulation of toxins can contribute to an increased rate of cellular death and aging. Ingredients in cell longevity support healthy cell membrane function for absorption of nutrients and elimination of toxins. Crosslinks are created when proteins in the body become damaged and lose their flexibility and function. Crosslinking occurs as a result of anything that increases oxidative stress in the body, such as excessive sugar intake, stress on the immune system, cigarette smoking, illicit drugs, air pollution, and environmental toxins. One of the most common contributors to crosslinking is too much sugar in the diet, over-consuming high glycemic foods, and elevated blood sugar levels. When cross-linking occurs excessively, harmful free radicals form and tissues lose their elasticity and functionality. Crosslinks also don't allow DNA to take part in cell division, which prevents cell renewal and increases the rate of aging. Specific ingredients found in cell longevity support healthy sugar metabolism and minimize free radical oxidative stress associated with cross-linking. Cell senescence is the accumulation of older aging cells that no longer function in a healthy youthful manner. Normally, older inefficient senescent cells are routinely replaced by younger well-functioning cells through a process called apoptosis. Too little apoptosis causes older cells to accumulate, and too much apoptosis causes healthy cells to deteriorate too quickly. Both play a critical role in cellular aging. Cellular apoptosis limits cell division in normal cells, and as people age, the rate that youthful cells replace older cells slows down. This increases the number of old cells which function much less efficiently. When too many senescent cells are present, it speeds the aging process. For example, a young person's skin is smooth and wrinkle-free, but as we age, skin cells deteriorate and wrinkles form. The older a person's age, the more senescent cells are present in the skin and the more wrinkles that person has. Ingredients in cell longevity contribute to a balanced process of apoptosis, supporting the removal of older cells and the activation of youthful healthy cells to replace them.